Are you feeling helpless, hopeless, and feeling mo binagsak na sa'yo ng mundo lahat ng misfortune in life? Feeling mo ba yung tulong ay hindi available for you? Do you feel isolated and parang wala kang malapitan for help? Maybe this is a message that is meant to find you. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. This is a collective reading, so we are tapping into the energy of the collective. Ayan. So, let's see what the cards are saying to you right now. Okay, so we got the Eight of Swords and the Six of Swords. So, you are feeling trapped right now. You are feeling your mind, you may be overthinking things. Siguro, in-overthink mo yung mga bagay-bagay kung bakit nangyayari ito sa'yo ngayon. Pero, we got the Six of Swords. And this Six of Swords, this is about a transition. You are now starting to move from turbulent waters into calmer waters. So, I feel na this is um this is saying na you have learned a lot from this experience and now you are carrying your lessons towards the calmer waters nga. So magsisimula ka ng umusog or mag-move from the turbulent waters into something calmer. So we got the Two of Cups and the Queen of Wands. Okay. So I feel that this is about a connection. This is about a connection with someone or a connection with other people. And the Queen of Wands, siya yung very powerful. Alam niya kung gaano siya ka-powerful and kaya niyang gawin kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari. Kaya niya yun i-embrace. So, very powerful si Queen of Wands. So, let's see. And siguro, this Queen of Wands, this may be someone, pwedeng ikaw, or you might also be meeting someone, or there is someone that is coming into your life na ipapa-realize na sa'yo how powerful you are and so that you can embrace your own power and kaya mong gawin lahat ng maisip mong gawin. Um, Okay, so this may be a new partnership, this may be a new relationship, this might be a person na papalapit sa'yo. Ayan, we got the sun. So the sun, this is about joy, this is about success, happiness, and you are starting to move on from that state na isolation, helplessness, towards the sun, towards joy, and towards happiness, towards clarity and peace. So, you are starting your journey. You are starting to transition na hindi ka na magiging trapped sa sarili mong thoughts and you are starting to move towards the light. Okay, and for the next one we got this the Eight of Cups. Ayan. So you are now starting to release the things that are not serving you anymore. You are starting to learn to walk away from the things na nagput sa'yo sa situation na to. You are starting to walk away from the empty cups na wala ka ng na hindi na nagsiserve sa'yo right now. This may be the reason kung why you are feeling isolated, why you are feeling like help is not available to you, you felt na parang iniwan ka, you have been left outside in the cold. Ayan. So, you are learning how to walk away towards something with a greater purpose for you, towards happiness, towards the sun. Okay, let's get one more card. We got the Three of Wands. So you are now moving towards your future. So you are waiting and you see a very big potential for growth. And ayan, so ngayon hinihintay mo na yung progress na tong pag-move mo. So ayan, you are being patient right now. So you are ready to move from this situation into the sun. You are ready to move from being trapped into your mind to have a better purpose, to have to be calmer, to be in a better environment, and you are now ready to take the first step. So ayan, I feel that that's the message for you today. Um, just leave a comment if this resonated with you. Ayan, just remember, this is a collective reading, so we are tapping into the energy of the collective. So just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Okay, sana nakatulong tong message sa inyo today, and I hope you have a great weekend.